Welcome to Tech Notice, guys. Nice to see your smiling faces in here. In this episode, we are checking out this wireless keyboard. Let's check this out. I'll put this computer on the side. It's a Victsing or Victsing, something like that. I've got the same company's mouse and it's pretty good. There's nothing else. It says made in China in here, but do you know what? This statement nowadays doesn't bother me because one of the best things are made in China. Okay, it's in a bubble wrapper. What else is in here? 2.4G wireless touchpad keyboard. So, some of the specs here. Weight, 289 grams. There's 87 keys, wireless, USB interface, and there's sleeping mode. Working distance is 10 meters. Pretty good. So it pretty much works with everything. It's got smart functions over there as well. The touchpad has some pretty cool features like you would know from a Mac touchpad. 2 fingers is slides vertically and horizontally. There's 1 finger clicks and slides, or like if you pinch, then it zoom in or zoom out of the area. Pretty cool. Let's see how this works. I'm gonna open up the laptop as well so we can check it out. Let's take this bubble wrapper away. Okay, it is very slim. Ooh. The keys are not exactly the same full-length keyboard. I can see that the keys are much more pressed in and smaller, so it's not exactly the same distance as a full-size keyboard. But I guess this is not meant for that. But just so you know, if you're planning to buy this, there it is. Looks, that is clever. I like when products are made like this. So it's got this transmitter in there, and I'm gonna plug this transmitter into the computer. Bam. But I need 2 AAA batteries. We've got the batteries. Duracell. Okay, they're in. Close this. It's on already. Okay, so I could be moving stuff on my computer over there. That's clever. Even the function keys work even on Mac. I'm adjusting the volume there. The trackpad, left and right click. They have really nice feel or click sound to them. It works very well actually. And I think it's perfect for, you know, if you've got a smart TV or if you've got a computer attached to your TV and you want to type something in from far away, it works brilliantly. Or in a situation where you just need the keyboard to be wireless and small, and both the mouse and the wireless on the same keyboard. So also there is a little button over here. If you press that, the trackpad becomes disabled. So basically you can enable and disable the trackpad function over here. If you just want to type something in and you don't want this to work, you can turn it off over there. Let's try a bit more typing. It's not like the most comfortable to type because obviously it's not the full-size keyboard. But you know what? You can get used to it. So the overall build quality is pretty basic, and I think that's what it's meant for, to be as cheap as possible. It's got nice little rubber legs so it won't move on the table. It's pretty nice. It's decent. It's not like the best, but the keys move very little. It's quite nice. So just when you're on Mac, you have to remember that Windows key is actually Command key. I think the Enter click is a bit different than everything else. It's very clicky. Okay, this is the keyboard. This costs, price for this keyboard is $20 or pounds. So if you want to check it out, the link is in the description. Thank you very much guys for watching this episode of Tech Notice, where we checked out this wireless keyboard and touchpad all on the same keyboard. Very clever. So if you liked the video, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, then why not? Remember, videos are coming out at least every single week on Fridays, and I'll see you very soon in the next video. Thanks for watching.